Good morning guys, welcome back to day 2 in Porto. This is the view this morning. It's literally insane. We're just having breakfast on the balcony. It's going to be really cute, and then I think we're going to do some sort of sightseeing today. So yeah, it's going to be really nice. It's feeling so good. Just been to Livraria Lello, which is literally just behind me here. It's super cute. It's a lovely bookstore, very well known for being a tourist attraction in Porto. It is €5 entry, but you get it back if you buy a book like I did, and the books are so special there because they're like lined with like gold and they're just totally redone, and you can only purchase them at this bookstore, so it's super cute. Would highly recommend going, but the queues do get really long, so make sure you pre-book because otherwise it is slightly more expensive. And because we booked and got our tickets, we were actually allowed through into the bookshop a little bit quicker, so that's a top tip for you. And we're now just going to carry on with our tour and just go and have a look around the city, and we've got something very exciting planned for later, so yeah. Okay guys, we were just in the Palais de Bourgeois, I want to say. Oh my god, it's probably terrible pronunciation. But we just had such a lovely time, went on a tour that was actually in French, but we did try and understand as much as we could, and now we are going to try and find some lunch along the river. Boom! She's back. So we've just stopped for lunch just at this cute cafe on the river, which is really nice. We just got a little bit peckish after that tour, and we're just going to stop for some Portuguese tapas and probably a drink of Porto wine. Probably a drink of port wine, just because it's obviously famous in Porto. So yeah, that's our plan for the moment.
So I was late. At a little pottery place making Portuguese tiles, which is really exciting. We got taught the traditional technique and then basically just was creative and did our own. So God, it's very exciting. We'll see tomorrow what they actually look like. They looked alright. Yeah. Works of art, mate. Yours was shit.
Yeah. Okay, right. Well, proof it will be in the pudding. And now we're just on our way to grab dinner and some drinks, and hopefully see a little bit of the sunset as well. The next day, obviously didn't finish last night because we went out clubbing and came back, had a few too many drinks. I was just pissing.
It was a fun night, but definitely shattered after it. But it was a really, really fun day. I had such a good time just sightseeing and everything. So yeah, it was amazing. And we'll see what we get up to today.